Hi, this is Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back today with a cute Valentine's Day project. Today we're making these stuffed hearts that you can use to fill your bowls or basket and use as part of your tiered tray decor any time of year. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out the blog at debsdays.com where you'll find plenty of sewing and crafting projects. It's also where you'll find a link to the written version of this project with step-by-step instructions, cutting measurements, photos, and the printable template. And since it's a digital download pattern, you can get started on your very own stuffed hearts today. I've added a link in the description below this video. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need fabric, fiberfill stuffing, pinking shears, and the printable template. First, cut out the template and place a piece of fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. Place another piece of fabric on top with the right side facing up. Center the template in the middle of the fabric stack and pin it in place. Stitch the heart together by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper, leaving a space on the side open for stuffing. Remove the paper template and use pinking shears to trim 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch outside the stitching line. Use the side opening to stuff the heart with fiberfill, filling it as full as desired. Adjust the stuffing away from the opening and stitch the edge closed. Readjust the stuffing, and for a neater look, retrim the opening with pinking shears. And just like that, just that fast, we have ourselves these cute stuffed hearts. If you'd like to see more easy projects like this one with digital patterns you can print at home, check out the blog at debsdays.com. I've added a link in the description below this video. See you next time with another project.